So I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to optimize your Facebook ads. So let's get this party started. So max out leverage over here. First thing I realized when running this messenger campaign over here, $12 per message conversation. That's pretty high. It's a lot hot. We want to get that down to around $3 to $4. So let's hop over here. We're gonna go over here. So let's check out these. This one hasn't ran yet. We spent $1, so you can't really do any optimizations there. You need at least like a thousand impressions before you kind of understand the system. So let's continue. This one over here, this one spent the most with. This one spent the most money, cheapest per message conversion, right there, $9. Mortgage loans 13. Over here, loan and credit history was at 12. Over here, let's check out the breakdown really quick. The performance and clicks. The click-through rate of all of them, all right, so these are low. I usually see them around 5 or 6% in order to be able to actually get them to the point where they're bringing in message conversations for around, like I said, $3. So you gotta go over here to the highest one first, see what's wrong with this thing. Over here, the first thing that I see is this one is running real hot. This one is 1982. This one is only $6. We're getting the track with this one, so we're gonna leave this one alone for a little bit. We're gonna click on this, and what I think is already the problems I can tell is the picture. So the entire process, excuse me, the entire process goes like this. You check out the picture first. The entire process goes like this. The picture gets you to read the description, the see more here. The description gets you to actually click the message. From there, there's more. I have more videos about that, but that's the entire process. So the first thing that I look at when I'm making optimizations is just the picture. So the way I realize if picture is doing well is I hop over here to the click-through rate. Whereas this one that has message conversations at $6 has a click-through rate of 5%. Like I said before, 6, 7, or even 8 when you're gonna get those $3. So over here, pick mark over here. This one has a 1%. This one has a 4%. Boo. So what we're gonna do over here is this one hasn't even got any link clicks. Over here, link clicks as in the actual description. This one hasn't really gotten out too much. Only for $2. But you look at this one, the problem I'm starting to see is that the picture I think is just wrong because the click-through rate is so low. So click-through rate means gets them to actually click the see more button and continue. Or click-through rate is the actual link. Is that if you put a link on there, I don't put a link on there, I think it's bugging out. Maybe I did put a link on there. So let's continue. This what I'll do is I'll change out the picture immediately. So what we're gonna do is turn this one off because I'm not gonna borrow that one. Seems like it's the same picture. I'm gonna take this because I'm gonna duplicate this. I'm gonna duplicate the existing campaign right there. Number of copies. I'm gonna do 2. So I'm gonna test out both. What you call it. Actually, I'm gonna do 1 right now because just want to test the picture right now. So I'll do this and duplicate. So take this, I'm going to change out the picture. So I actually have some pictures that we were just sent in. Check it out. Pause this while I look where it is. All right, so recording. So yeah, I just found the pictures. He sent us a bunch of pictures like this, which we like a lot better. So for example, let's take the videos. I'm gonna start using some pictures first. Just look at these, go through them. Which one has the best quality, pretty much? This one I like. Same thing, about same thing. Skip down is going to show the credit. American Express card, so business funding there. So we're getting the business funding with him pretty soon. So we're gonna click on this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take this, we're gonna save it, save image as. I'm gonna put that onto my buddy's folder. So Marco, fast. We hop over here, Marco, and save over there. Bam, bam. Now we're gonna hop back over to here, the actual ads over here. And what we're gonna do, like I said, is we're gonna change out the pictures here. So this one is the gold. This one we have. This one we gotta change out. Oh, that's the one we gotta change out. All right, cool. Just make sure. Let's go over here, press add on this, change media. Let's upload a video here and upload a shot. picture, go to Marco, right there, bam, bam, bam. Already have it right there. Cool, just that one. Next. One, so that looks like. It's fine, let's do that. Excuse me. What I also want to do is I want to change around the headline. I'll test that out as well. So we'll do copy one. If I hop over my credit card blueprint over here, you pop this up. Hop over to credit card blueprint. Credit card blueprint. Credit card plan attack. Have that attack. Credit card plan attack. This one. Use a blank one for now. Go over here. Go over here. Angles, audiences. Go over here. And we're gonna take out another headline. So right now we got. We're actually gonna move that one here. So we got headline. What we have here? Headline we're using. We fix credit. Don't like it though. And over here. So that's like 6. Yes. Another 6. Cool. And then we're gonna use get a no cause credit evaluation today. So we fix credit fast. I'm just gonna do get a no cost credit evaluation today. I'll take that one. I'm gonna change that to here. So headline, headline one, copy one. So pick one, head one. Take this, bam, 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 just make it look a little bit better. One more. Sweet. Make sure it's the right one we have here. It is. Excuse me. All right, sweet. So it's the right one. And hop over to ads like that. That's over here. So over here, got that one published right now. As my Wi-Fi slows, I'm uploading a couple of videos. This one's headline one as well. This Marco did not run good. Cut that one out of here, bro. Go with this. We see how this pulls. I also want to use a different picture as well too. So we can test out like at least 3 pictures at once. I always like to do that. So what we got right here. There. Let's do this one. This one. Business funding. Make one duplicate of this one as well. Just campaign messenger, duplicate that. Change it up to upload. Cool. Right there. Original. It's better to do more, but always ready. Oh, excuse me. It's always better to do the recommended. Not always, but sometimes. In this case, it's better to do the recommended. Okay, so mention great news or craft business funding calls for that. The How many do in 45 days? Let's try. All right, I'll go through this one a little later. Really, gotta go through this copy here. I don't want to waste time on just working on someone's copy. I can look at it later. So right now I'm gonna have this one off because I'm making another copy for this one. So I'll save that, review, publish everything. Make sure everything. Someone's ready to publish it right now. All right, cool. So that one's good. That one's optimized. Next one, go to this one. Leaves last. Go to this one, second one. Loan and credit history. First thing right at the back we see is this one's $7 for combo starters. So why is it 14? I just spent money on something. That's my bad. This one's with 14 hasn't got anything there. I picked up that one. Click-through rate is low. This one has a high click-through rate of 4.7%. Pretty good. See better. Now got was only spent $5, so it's way off on that one. This one, kind of have to wait on this one a little bit because how many impressions does it have right here? This one reached around 1,400 people. It still changes around. Leave that one on there. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna duplicate this one. This one's kind of doing the best so far. That's got this one. Yeah, a little more to $20 at least. This one will duplicate. Then we'll try with the other picture. So for sure that was gonna work. For Vizzle. Change medium. Oh, I got to change this one. Method. This one has copy what? Copy 5. Copy 5. We should do change up the headlines. I like them. If you credit. Fix fast. Fix fast. So do a headline for actually headline for Marco. Cool. See that right there. Just want to test to see how long pushes out there. And that should be good for there for now. Still, like I said, I haven't spent really that much money on that yet. How about over here? All right, so these are consistently putting better, but I think we had these pictures on there now. So let's see how those run right there. But yeah, that's pretty much optimizing the campaigns right there. Yeah, so you work for the picture first, then you go to the headline, and then you go to the actual primary text, and then you optimize the landing page. And yeah, and not the your landing page or the sequence campaign that you have, the main chat campaign that you have, whatever it is. And yeah, that's the process. Sweet. And guys watching, any questions, you know who to ask. Your boy Blade. I see you guys later. Enjoy.